Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check, today is an OTC market, so we will trade in the OTC pairs. See, here I have gone with buyers. Why? Because if you notice, left side you have a strong buying area which market made an U-turn. So if you notice the previous candle, which is a strong candle of buyers, so easily we can go with buying candle. So that's why only I have take trades here. In that previous, when the market made a new god, I got 4 losses continuously. 2 are late entries, 2 are loss. Today is OTC, that's why maybe I don't know. I will show that history also in the last. So try to watch up to the end. Why? Because sometimes it will happen, which will come all at the same time. Sometimes late entries, sometimes really loss. These things will come all of a sudden continuously. Today I got the same situation. So I will show you that too. Later we will recover these all things. Here you can again continue with the buyers. Why? Because if you notice, when you have left side a momentum, easily you can copy the right side also a momentum up to the next level is in the top. So up to that level I can go only with buyers. Why? Because when you are in a momentum in the OTC, maximum follow the momentum. I got continuous loss because of the momentum has been ended and it make an U-turn all of a sudden. So that's why I got losses continuously, and the candles have more rejections in the last. So that's why I got loss. It's okay. I will show you that too. And here at the present situation, if you notice, market is making an U-turn and market is trying to go at the resistance level, which was on the top. I have plotted both the levels. One is horizontal, which I have plotted, and trend line, which I have selected and adjusted for you also. So you should consider these things. When the market is moving in a momentum, try to follow it. So again, I am going with buyers. You check, still there is a gap. Even the candle has strength. So easily you can continue with the buying candle only. Up to which level? Up to the top level. So if you follow the momentum in the OTC, you will win easily. So that's why in the every video I used to say you try to follow the momentum, because it may give more winning ratios. Up to a red candle you can go with the buyers only. Why? Because when the momentum didn't make any weakness, you can continuously go with the momentum. This will help you more. So try to follow the momentum. Most of the people will say this thing only. And here if you check, we have plotted the levels. So in the middle only we are trading. So we have got strong candles which has confirmations. So easily we can win here. Okay. Here if you notice, we can again go with buying candle. Why? Because here we got a weakness, but let's see what will happen. Easily we can go with buyers. Let's see. Why? Because previous candle made a new high, but the body didn't made a new high and it's below the previous level wick. So that's why this candle has been down. But as expected, I have following the momentum only. So when you notice this kind of situations, maximum try to follow the momentum. Maybe these kind of opportunities may come rare in case. Maybe if you got, you can follow the market, because in these kind of situations, we may get easy trades, continuously winning. So we can easily win these kind of trades. Okay. So if you get these kind of chances, don't leave it. Okay. Finally, here the buyers are getting stronger. So we got win. So even one more situation, this is a 50-50, because this time also the candle wick didn't made a new high, but still I will follow the momentum only. Why? Because still there is a minor gap. So that's why even if it is loss also, my rule is I should follow the momentum. So if it is loss, I will think regarding that situation. Up to that, you can go with momentum only. Here if you notice, why I am saying it is a 50-50 chances means, because you have a candle with no new high, even the wick also inside the previous candle. So that's the reason. Sometimes easily it will break, sometimes it will make at least one reversal. So these kind of situations we will face in the middle, which we call as a retracements. Okay. So if you like our content, give us a like, which will motivate us to make more videos. Okay. See, finally we got loss. Okay. So here the selling candle, I will try to go with sellers with margin of safety. Okay, here I will enter. Okay, with the margin of safety, I will go with selling trade. If this was a buying candle, I could go easily again with buyers. Why? Because already the buyers are getting weak. So the strong sellers which was rejected from the top area. So easily we can go with sellers. If this was a buying candle, so you may think so the market wants to break the level. So easily again you can continue with the buying candle only. So these kind of confirmations we should take while we are trading in the market. So always try to trade at the levels only. Here you can understand the buyers are getting interested. Okay, at the last, what will happen? Okay, my entry point showed me which was a weak candle. Even if I put the selling candle also, it will be wrong, but the entry point made me win. Okay, really good. So now, as I said before, I can now confidently go with buyers with margin of safety. So this time I'm using margin of safety because we should check if in the OTC market or in the normal market, if you get any margin of safety, that will definitely help. Why? Because sometimes we may get weak candles, sometimes we may get more rejections. So these kind of areas we will get more useful of this kind of points. So that's why always I used to say try to trade with margin of safety. See, here we got buying candle. Okay, here the buyers are getting strong, so easily you can win. I will show you my history if possible. Let me show you the 4 lost trades. Really, okay, it's sometimes happen. Okay, here I will follow the buyers only. Why? Because we can follow easily, but there is a weakness too. Maybe even if it is loss also, we can consider it as a retracement, but the market will try to break the level easily. Why? Because just now, if you notice, the buyer's candle has reached the selling strong area. So that's the reason. Maybe sometimes 2 retracements, 1 candle, these kind of situations will form at the end of the resistance area. While because these are in the momentum areas, so we can expect 1 or 2 retracements. But let's see. As of now, the buyers are getting strong. Let's see what will happen. So if you are really interested in my premium course, you can join. You can contact me in Telegram and you can get the details too. Okay. See here, if you notice, the sellers are pushing strong. So at the last 5 seconds, the sellers have been entered here. So now again we can go with buyers. Why? Because here, as I said before, you may understand 1 or 2 retracements are common. So easily you can continue. Let me get an entry point first of all. Why? Because retracements, but there is no reversals at all. So easily you can go with buyers. Okay, I got nice entry point. Okay, let me place a red for. Okay, I got entry point. Easily the market will break the level. So you should keep these points in your mind because these areas or situations are tricky. So if you can trade, okay, otherwise avoid these kind of areas. In the middle, when you have momentum, you can trade easily, but these kind of complicated areas try to avoid. So that's why you should understand this all point. See, I have adjusted the level. The buyers are getting stronger too. So easily you could here 1 second after winning. Okay, here I'm going with sellers. Why? Because if you notice, left side we have a strong level every time. So with the margin of safety only, I am taking the trade. Even it is a buyer's candle also, which will be a weak candle. Why? Because most of the time these kind of areas the sellers may enter. Why? Because left side, see here I have shown you the history, the 4 trades which I have lost continuously. Again I am making continuously wins. So sometimes these kind of things will happen. Okay, anyways, we'll focus on the chart. Here, this situation why I have gone with sellers means, if you notice, first of all, left side you have a strong levels. Maximum the sellers will come. If still the buyers are entered means, so no longer the sellers are interested in these cases. So we can continue the market even. Maybe sometimes it is called as real breakout too. So here finally the buyers are getting stronger. Okay, see our entry point made us win. Okay, here you can check my clear history. Okay, we'll continue from again. So again, what is the next candle? Breakout of the strong selling area. Still you didn't get any reversal. So what you can expect? You can expect again buyers. Why? Because it's a buying candle. And second thing here you got is continuation sign. So easily you can go with buyers now. So that's why I have placed it with buying trade. So you should consider these all points whenever you are trading. Why? Because this will make the trading easy. You may understand better points too. So that's why. After this, once the left side levels have been broken, you should go with the past history. Why? Because some zoom out, because you may get new levels in the major levels, which could call us. So we'll check the levels for the next trade. Okay, here finally we are getting win. See, let me show you the new levels here. Okay, here if you check, there is a strong level. Let me adjust the horizontal line. See, here we have a level. See, just now I have highlighted the strong level. Just now market has been breakout. What you will expect? Yes, you should expect only selling candle. Why? Because previous market has been breakout. On the next level, it should respect definitely. So easily you can go with sellers here. So you should check these points because left side you have a strong level. And previous, if you notice, there is a trend line of the previous level and market has reached exact at the retest level, which was a previous support become resistance. So you should consider these all points. So that's the reason I am going with selling trade. Okay, now the candle is closing exact at the level which was a rejection, opening exact at the point which was a gap down. So easily I can go with buyers. And second thing, market is in uptrend. And third thing, one candle can't stop the momentum. Sorry, I don't have any trend line. Okay, it's okay. Okay, maybe some late entry. Let's see what will happen. But I have 3 points. One, it is an uptrend. Market is changing to up. Second thing, one candle can't stop the momentum. Third thing, the market has been retested and exactly opened at the level. Okay, so easily you could go with buyers. So when you have double confirmations only, try to take trades. Because it's an OTC market, you can't go blindly with the every candle because sometimes the wick, sometimes market may U-turn in the middle. So these all situations will face. So if you understand the concept clearly, you will trade at the valid areas only. Okay, we got loss because our entry point. Okay, sometimes it will happen. Yeah, you can continue again with buyers. This time we can recover easily. So you can check here. Buyers have been entered. So easily again you can go with buying candle. In the left side, I don't have any kind of levels here. So easily I could go with buyers here again. So that's the reason only I am taking with the buying trade. This time the margin of safety is also okay. Every time we can't get weak candles, maybe this time we will get strong candles too. So try to trade at the valid areas. And previously we have a confirmation. So easily you can continue with buyers. Okay, let me check for the next trade whether I have any level or not. We should think these all things first of all. Okay, finally we are getting win. Okay, we got win. Okay, finally win. And let me check in the left side whether I have any level or not. Okay, there is a level. So that's why only I'm going with sellers. Let me adjust the level for you. Okay, okay, here in the top, there is a level. Okay, here I will adjust. See, if you check, there is a level. See, exact the market has closed from there. And the selling candle has opened the entry point at the level. So easily you can go with sellers here. Okay, I think I have taken so many trades. This is the last trade. So I think you have noticed all the points while trading in the OTC. So you should understand these points whenever you are trading in the OTC because sometimes the market will change in the sudden. So if you have any doubts, try to message us in the Telegram. Easily you can understand the points. Okay guys, finally I think I got a win. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.